Hey, good morning everybody, it's Justin with Remella Media and I'm back to you with another video. And today we're inside the truck, starting it out, but we're going to be putting the new Cowl Hood on the truck. And as you can see, I chose the best day to do this. We got snow and lots of it. It's pretty cold. I think it's like 30 degrees outside, so it's gonna be a cold one. It's gonna be a quick video, not really gonna be a how-to. It's just gonna be me installing the hood on the truck. And as you can see, there's ice all over the front end. Came back from camping with the boys over the weekend, so but this is the hood. I don't feel like sanding it, and this one looks like crap, so I just decided to get a new one for it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take these off, and I think that one comes with the new one comes with the new latch and spring, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But we gotta take this carpet liner out and unbolt it, and then hopefully bolt it back up, and it'll be a quick video. And like I said, I can go inside and get warm. The good thing about this, you don't even need a knife or scissors. You just rip the box. But there she is, there's the Cowl Hood. Hopefully there's no dents from it being in the back seat of the bed here, but we'll find out here in a second. So the first one's going to be a 13 mil for these two bolts. Hopefully it comes out and I won't drop it. There we go. Two bolts out right there and the latch. Alright, so now that we got that latch off, we're gonna go take the actual hood off. So they're all 13 mils. This one. Don't forget to take out these two bolts that hold the light bracket on. Alright, so now we got the latch out, the light out. Now we're just gonna go ahead and take the hood off. Got one. Got two. Three. Now this side's completely off. There's only 4 screws, so just take these ones out. They are with a 13 mil, and there's 2 on each side, and it should just come right off. So we got the hood off. Finally, it is heavy, so if you do have 2 people, use 2 people. But I managed to get it off, so now let's put on the Cowl Hood. Alright, so I managed to put the hood on. It was heavy, so definitely have 2 people while you do this. So I'm gonna catch my breath from not trying to slip and slide in the snow. Air Force Ones are definitely not the shoe to wear while it's snowing. After battling with it, I managed to get it on. Took a couple of wounds, but she's on. Now I just gotta tighten it up, put the latch back on, and that's basically it. As you guys can see, the hood is on. It's freezing, so I'm trying to hurry this up, but it's on. It looks good. And I'm gonna be getting a new like felt liner for it, so that's why I didn't put the old one in, but it closes good and perfect. So I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna finally go inside and get warm. Thanks for watching. If you have any more suggestions to do to the truck, I know a new grill's coming, new lights, new fenders, possibly a new door, and then paint. So thank you guys for sticking around. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one.